How to use Sabadell Bank Review. Properly beginner mistakes that cost you. Sabadell Bank offers a range of banking services, but beginners often make mistakes that cost money or limit benefits. Here's how to use it properly. The first mistake is not understanding account types. Most people get this wrong by opening the wrong account, checking, savings, or digital without matching it to their needs. Review features, fees, and limits before choosing. Second mistake, ignoring fees and conditions. You won't believe how many customers are surprised by monthly maintenance ATM or international fees. Always check conditions to avoid unnecessary charges. Third mistake, underusing online banking. The surprising truth is Sabadell's app and online platform offer payments, transfers, and budgeting tools. Beginners often rely on branches, missing convenience and efficiency. Fourth mistake, neglecting card usage and rewards. Credit and debit cards may have cashback discounts or loyalty points. Use them strategically to maximize value while avoiding debt. Finally, not seeking advice is common. Sabadell offers financial guidance, mortgage support, and investment advice. Ask for help to make informed decisions and optimize your finances. By choosing the right account, understanding fees, leveraging online banking, using cards wisely, and seeking advice, you can use Sabadell Bank effectively. Avoid these mistakes, and your banking experience will be smoother, smarter, and more rewarding.